So I'm just going to blot some of the water off of my brush. Just come into here. It's a lot darker than I thought. I might need a little more red in there. And I can even pick up some of the red. And this is what I'm going to do is I take it and then I wipe it off. So I'm going to build up my layers, and you can see that beautiful texture. So my pieces are all dry now. Here's the Tyvek I had painted. And I've been playing around with some ideas of where things are going to go. So let me just kind of deconstruct this. And I like how this can work right in here. I can trim this piece down so it kind of comes in. I like this shape. All right, so here you can see where it just kind of squished underneath this stencil. I mean, it's kind of a nice effect, but if you want to have the proper impression of your stencil, I'm going to show you how to get that. But by using the white with a little bit of green on top of this, it's already beginning to get interesting.